Please subscribe and like and follow and share.
Isang buwan, isang linggo ako hindi nakapag-upload dahil kahit nga ba ako nasa labas at dala-dala ko na naman si scooter, si skateboard. Kasi pupunta ako ng Alcod, may bagong magbubukas na kape. Naimbitahan ako para magtimpla ng kape nila. So finally, magkasama na naman kami ni Alcod. Ay, ni skateboard. Kasi ginagamit ko lang talaga siya for part-time. Anyway, ito yung trabaho ng OFW. It's pagkadating sa bahay, bihis at magkatrabaho. Anyway, I have some friends here. From Zamboanga, Iloilo. General Santos. General Santos. Na ako sa Alcod, nabuhay ulit ako dito sa Alcod. Ayos, nandito na naman, namiss ko yung Alcod. Kasi, bakit nakakamiss? Kasi andito na nga yung lahat. Kahit saan ka pumunta, andito na yun. May sok siya kasi. And go. Oops. Hay, kinabahan ako. Bakit? Kasi na-outbalance ako doon sa tawiran, nakagupa naman yung signal. So na-outbalance ako. Buti na lang nahabol at naka-recover ako. Pero nahulog ako sa skateboard. Bakit andito ako sa gutter dumadaan? Kasi nakakatakot nga. Nakakatakot na diyan ka sa gilid ng highway kasi pasalubong ako, tsaka skateboard yung dala ko. One day, nung time na nagpa-part-time din ako, dito rin ako talaga dumadaan sa itong dadaanan ko ngayon. Kasi mas safe dito kasi parang parking siya ng mosque. Alam niyo naman na malapit yung mosque dito. Dito lang yung mosque.
Snapchat. This is vlog for Instagram.
YouTube.
YouTuber, huh?
My boss.
Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Alala Cafe with Mr. Kristen and Abdullah.
So ito lang naman yung coffee shop nila. Ayos. Malaki, daming seating, daming tables. Ayun, ganun nila ako i-welcome kasi magkakakilala na nga kami. Kasi boss, lagi ko siyang kakilala. Lagi kami How are you, boss?
Fine, thank you, boss.
I think you are a video maker also.
Yes.
Hi.
So as of now, we are calibrating this machine and also Uy. Ayun. How are you, brother?
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
our
you,
boss.
Hello.
Ayun. So actually mga kalagas, yung nagka-calibrate na ito is hindi yung barista, yung pinaka company talaga nito. Pero may knowledge naman ako mag-calibrate na ito, kaya ako na lang tumitira. So ngayon, okay na, nakikita na namin yung ano dito, yung bar. Ito, yung maintain. Dito siya makikita. So, finally, we can get the good quality of water. We are calibrated already, but the problem now just only the skills. We need the skills. The grams of coffee must be 18 grams. And also, my boss is always here.
Oh.
Nice. It's really happy this place.
Nice to see you.
It's really
here.
nice this place. If you are in Oman, please visit this place in Al Quoz in Crown Hotel at the back side near in Al-Maha Petrol Pump. Another side. So this new cafe from in Al Quoz. I'm here. So and also my boss.
Thank you.
Yes.
See you here.
Yeah. So now we start to making coffee, hot and cold. My boss making latte art. Yes, sir. So mga kalagas, for now it's over. Hindi pa kami nag-open, so I think after 2 days we can the soft opening or grand opening here in Alala Cafe. Not today, not tomorrow. I think it's after 2 or 3 days we can do that. And my boss is here.
Thank you, Mr. Kiristan.
And also the new guys here in Oman, Mr. Abdul.
Buddha.
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 Mr. Buddha.
Mr. Buddha.
Ayun.
How are you, Mr. Buddha?
Yeah, so mga kalagas, and nagbabalik na naman ako ulit dito sa paggagawa ng video at pasensya na kayo kasi almost 1 and
Please subscribe and like and follow and share.
ayun. So pasensya na kayo kasi ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit with my boss and
a good day.
another guy. Ayun. Let's get it on!